political intelligence. And don't say ya me no ka say galamsey ni njai ye no. And these executives gumuram etu galamsey. Who doesn't know? I'm saying it. Me, I fought galamsey. And galamsey
Abuza voma mwenye na wakwa about magana and same thing so. But one more so be like you video no subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications so that next time videos of this nature power so with maka. So the mwenye na from Mr. President. So when Mr. President asana me from Majiswa Mouse na by chance also boy studio works sound light camera internet everything any better because this is the most active NPP platform on social media as you have no Ghana and something second to none two boy so boy any better so now I also know woman say galamsey to focus galamsey you are John Dramani Mahama a chief campaign of galamsey yebeka na meka not on evidence based but meka on reference based say you nwanum endis for catch say na now the danko kufa do wedi 8 years plus akokora amuka say oti galamsey say to galamsey all because na mamum emem na galamsey was organ now oto ubukoto kwase na yankopon hawoto koto so ubu ni kwase yankopon hawoto omure fi so mudi bi na adb di na adnom so ban beba power ama galamsey be 2 and this for politicize galamsey sama na nado da koku fadu ba omi aban ho be ye hima Ghana for ene I also say here boy residing kitedin wo galamsey allergy issue here bo Mustafa Yamin edin wo galamsey issue Mustafa Bande say here bo mu nyina edin wo galamsey issue so mu nyina campaign on galamsey eti kromu a and his excellency John Dramani Mahama here with the grace of respect I can say they know the campaigns of galamsey waba afi atwam ebosomi enaya beto so e kan ko campaigns of galamsey yanchi obia but we are abusing power here wow Captain Smart acting on national television ka say NDC national executives egunrum e2 galamsey panka so mutifi no munko for 2 galamsey so mu gunrum e no mu 2 galamsey which simply means that they know who are those like who the actual people who are interested or the actual people who are so much into the galamsey act they know na we are no be me grow from the Jones soon you know about my an adwumo ja kalibombom soon do I want to say that you care about the nation you don't care about the people you see so come mining areas I also want to say there's a common disease trending kidney and liver diseases miniano mercury no mudu to galamsey kidneys na livers no Ghana Health Service I release statistics I say majority of Ghanaians are having kidney and liver issues and OCHK percentage in about 45 to 50% from mining areas. Jesus Christ. Here are John Dramani Mahama or Accra or the Jubilee House. Here I say it's at Accra or the party office. Out of 4 cent Ministry of Finance office. ACC in so. Onum in super into ono Amanse Central. A one in so ne one galamsey onumbi. Hey, Konongo Asante Central galamsey so onumbi. Hey, Obuase galamsey so onumbi. It's your move. They know very well they are the same people who are into the galamsey. But my dini and that galamsey same man for no.
Absolutely. Be na ba.
Say me more yawo.
Editirimuda ba.
So again na mo video share my own kunya bi ni nkambom ni chicken free. I would differ reasons and mo boa man.
System mama impunity.
That mean say people me videos ni na. Thank you for watching my game about galamsey issue.
Ne foforo meka galamsey ho asem say. Se wo ya ban na ba. Na wo jai ma onkrofo ewurawura mu sa awia edu ba bia ne ko ye den eti wonya opportunity pass wo se on research de ka ba ye nka enkrofo nkra fa huhu every ba bia na sa kan ne se MPP for ne eti se nyame aye wadom na ndisi awi ni dia na che se eno anu no ko bi kura nsi site because si site ho biem kura na so MPP ni na enkeno anu by se wo jai ma nkrofo no asif se ho na mo nkope sika enhwe mo ho kakra time be sa de won se maka se so obi wura sa de aduma ne foforo no sa nkrofo no begu krom ha ne foforo no bonso aye no ho security ewo sa places so enche bia na enye concession papa bia na bia obi be asase bi no waje bi wo ho encha oje asase ni bia ne foforo kra de bi oje a odema obi no oye wo ho na afedi ono akọ high excavator wo ho na ono afedi obehu yese wato excavator baako no obi so obeye sa de na obeto baako no wo hu sese baako no emma no de tigiso onya be 9 na odri wadru baako a okọ danim no at what point na be stop no
yeah
at what point and obi si sa tangent no so no okọ a afedi e ba bia ne na yikoduro no enya form level ni biu na nia kohwe baby o jai sa de no from day 1 o de hard he no kra na ye nkama e ho eniema na wo sa ban yiye ema system no mugu ye ka bia em se ne foforo no wanfa be se o jai ma de bi eka ho saa ne ko ba di ho sa kokoo ye o mu de aguri onim ne impact benya the next season no sanaka ne na ultimate 800,000 metric tons wa hwe ya ebeye dem se obenya even 600,000 metric tons if you say sabre wo hui se obi kwa akodo ni kokoo ho a okobobosia na de akodo yentua ne kana the school fees grant mintua na ote ho a ye ka didi agro no okaso okodo ni kokoo ho ne obobosia na de akodo
yeah
okaso okogu kokoo no so ne also okobobosia na odi akoy what is the motivation pa ne say kokoo farmer kwa akobobosia say ode koye sa adwuma ya eno na beboa say the next season no ebeso no motivation be ya wa hwe kura na wa say oti ho na kokoo farmer na yire oka kire de say okobobosia akodo kokoo ho a say warija ye na aba enei kokoo farmer esme kobobosia me ba na tifie we na wo hoi commitment ne light bill kura na abe ya ontimi ntue na wo se o kobobosia ene so bosia kokoo farmer kan bosia bono ye bono kokoo krachi ne o ene kokoo krachi we ekura be ya se pa na kokoo krachi wonne se wa bie ne pro so wote ho se kokoo krachi na dwane enti sa bosia no okobo afri hen na se wantimi so akobobosia na anye na se 1 million na ekoduru ye no eso tia na koduru bia 500,000 what is our mind on mase no.
And traditional structures warning that the fight against the maintenance will be difficult but must continue. He made the remarks during a meeting with the organized labor at the Jubilee House in Accra on Tuesday, the 17th of March. The president said illegal mining had deeply infiltrated the Ghanaian society, cutting across political parties and local leadership, making efforts to combat it more complex. And this is in quotation. Illegal mining has eaten into the fabric of our society. And I must say, it is not only a menace to our society, but it has involved a cycle of traditional rulers, political party appointees, and everything. Now, he noted that operators often shift allegiance when government change, allowing the practice to persist. Even when one party changes, those who are running some operations who went to one party will go to the next party and say, now that you have come and take over this operation and let's share. We too will be getting something small. This is what we are doing. And so I don't kid myself that we don't have our own people involved. All right. Now, me imagine that way.
Political intelligence. And until they say, "I'm no say Galamsey ninja you know." And these executives go to Galamsey. Who doesn't know? I'm saying it. Me, I fought Galamsey, and Galamsey.
And yen mabunu meka ho ne yen tumi mfiri mahama nsem ho na eka ho soja ni ho police ni ho mahama be twa ne 3 solid years ya aka obi anyi tumi mfiri ne nsem ko hwini bema
me ka asam kire Ghana mebuna se moma yenje ye man ne yenye ne yi a ya na madwen ye mo se
John mama achi aban papa bi wo ho biem wonni babunu bai ena ebedi wo wachi age Ghana afiri mahama nsem aye ne yi wo ye ko hwini bema bayi bonsama ukura bayi ye tuntum wo sa akwa we
me ka asam kire Ghana mebuna se moma yenje ye man ne yenye ne yi a ya na madwen ye mo se
yani wuni ni wo se kwa ma obi mpetena krum a ne ye nyina ye di bini asija so aka di awi ase wadwene nya adwuma se Ghana mpanimfo ntimi nka no wo ye bayi bonsam usu nipa bi ni wiase ye nya aban a obefa abatan no adeso ato ne ho so ebra na wiase nyina covered sikasam wase ye nya asa aban no befa abatan no responsibility to ne ho so ne wo tua kuro yi mu ma enwisia ne nyanka efis dabi unti bida ena mo akohwifuo wei president na waba wo si me meka ho ne yanyi tumi mfiri ne sa mo de government share no abra 2016 somewhere 2012 di besi 20 na mabuna wie school mu tifie yamfo madwuma ankran adwuma through doom so a collapse adwuma bia okrom ha mo akohwifuo wei and a calling for that same government enne osi akonwa so kwa na emeka ho ne yanyi tumi mfiri mahama mahama chekwasi yampani we tum o calling for chini tum onkura dwempa momfa ne nhye afiase mamponi ipa boni ne yetesa wo a mo gye mabunu daache etotwena menem mo fa kufu ado penti ni black na oman Ghana sabi yadwene wo fomunti etie mu ene hwan na emeka ho ne yanyi tumi mfiri Ghana mpanimfo sem wo ya mambofo na waye wadwene se wo mfa wo nsa nya adwuma na wo ya be sore wo so because wo ye nipa ya nhwe wo yi a wo betimi de kon asi wo man mu wani mu hu se nkana ne ene wo hu se akufu ado no wo ye adwuma akufu ado no wo ye adwuma ene wo hu with COVID no wo tua nkora no school fees ni ade no wo yi akwan wo to ambulance ene wo ko drip machine every district wo hu say kufu ado no wo ye adwuma akohwifuo a mo mpa Ghana nkanko nyankopon be mesemo ni nya monam atro ne nada aso benya bia mo mantwa so aba mo Nyame de no me be to mo yire ne mo maso ni mo nchirima ne mo nana nkanso amoso mo de mo fansa ba bia nso nka mo santwerofo a mo okurum ha kwamboni bia mo nam so mo epesika mo nchirima be twa so aba eye bonyona ba Nyankopon fa no me to mo yamu maso mo aboni ye hyamu tirim na mo mpa afoforo de yeye mo mafu na mo dwene ho Nyame be tua mo so ka akohwifuo momfa mo nsanya adwuma ne mo pene se Ghana fo esutia mu eno na mo pe na mo kra ni age Nyame betua mo soka munya ni papa
atona bia wo ka bia ma ekuo binom a bibi se nse wadaje but omu ye nuanom ye yerenom ye kununom ye papanom ye maamenom akyerɛkyerɛfo a wɔ Ghana dodoɔ na bɛ abosomi dumiɛnsa NDC aban ntimi ntwi ɔmo ka
yewura mahama
bosomi baako mienu miɛnsa ɛnan akwa dumiɛnsa ebi du baako ebi du mienu ebi dumiɛnsa
President Mahama
and the NDC government yentimi ntwi ɔmo ka and so you say aban papa ba economic indicators ni nyina show say bibia ye dollar aba from petrol aba from akyerɛkyerɛfo where the money dey
Wash.
yentimi ntwi ɔmo ka
oh the whole bad the whole brutal
sa bibia ba from a bibia ye sika sam ye wo ma ye ho atoyen na wo ye ho atwen sa akyerɛkyerɛfo no ntwi ɔmo ka na ya bro ne baye ne atrimoden
ne ka na da hodo
abro baye ne atrimoden
ne ka na da hodo
because minim de enti abeka sa bibia ye
Jenia kasa
aban ne ba aban papa na aba se pre aban na yet akyerɛkyerɛfo ntimi ntwi ɔmo ka
You can't we also be reset your mind. Oh, be reset your mind now. Be a dear.
Eba kwaba cheche ni na wo kra de no wotua rent.
Hey.
Ensuo boa wotua. Enkania boa abanbone ba ye almost increment 30% aba wotua. Wo kwakra de a wo fa card nam anso no bekọ ba bi obekọ akwakra de no a wo akwakra de no. Owo ma owo yire wo abusua omunya den 30 months. Abosumi tumiensa.
But me insro.
Na bisa se Harry na Idrusu, education minister, the sector minister. Abosumi dumiensa yentua ne kan kote ho.
I ask you to be citizen.
Mampai John Dramani Mahama yentua ne ka. Yetua mo ka na yentua mo ka.
Nambom da mabani di nitrimi yezendodo.
Ghana Education Service Director workers wo ho yentua mo ka na.
Sure.
Enti adwene na ye nwina teacher fo no ho anasa ye ya bro ne ba ye. Abosumi dumi miensa.